Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Join me today as we create a cute spring decor using one Dollar Tree frame. Okay, so you will need one of the decorative peel and stick wallpaper sections from Dollar Tree. I'm also using a picture frame, and this frame is a 4x4. I'm using a white acrylic paint, brown, and also a lighter blue. And then I also have this little mini decorative bunny. And then I'm also using some gems, along with a few sponge brushes and a smaller paintbrush. And then I have these little decorative buttons that I'm going to be adding to the decoration. And you'll also need some hot glue. Okay, so we're going to start off by removing the back of the frame. So what I'm doing here is I'm just taking the backing off, and then I will remove the paper insert. Okay, so next I have my pencil here, and I'm just going to use that paper insert. I'll flip my decorative peel and stick paper over. I'll place the paper down, the insert down onto the wallpaper, and then using the pencil I'm going to trace out a section. Okay, so using scissors, you're going to want to cut out the shape of the peel and stick paper that we had traced. Okay, so before applying the peel and stick to the insert, you're going to want to remove the backing. Once you have done that, go ahead and press it down onto the insert. And I would like to note that we will be removing the glass. It will just be the insert that we put back into the frame. Okay, so now we're ready to apply the acrylic paint to the picture frame. I decided to use a lighter blue color for my frame. So what I'm doing here is I'm just taking my sponge brush and I'm applying the acrylic paint to the frame. Okay, so for the smaller areas between the bead design, I decided to use a smaller paintbrush. Once you have completed the painting process for your frame, you can either use a heating tool to help with the drying process, or you can set it aside and let it dry for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so after the paint has dried, you can take the backing of the frame mount and you can reinsert it into the frame. Okay, so now we're ready to apply the acrylic paint to the wooden bunny. So what I did here was I thinned out some of my brown acrylic paint using some water, and then I'm just using a smaller sponge brush to apply the acrylic paint to the bunny. Okay, so now we're ready to attach the bunny to the frame. So what I'm doing here is I'm just taking some hot glue and applying it on the back of the wooden bunny. Next, I'll just take the wooden bunny and press it down on top of the decorative wallpaper. Okay, so next I chose to add a smaller flower button just below one of the bunny's ears. So I just wanted to add this to my decoration, but like I said, you can add any decorations to your design. And then also I have some extra flower buttons that I'll be adding as well. I also have a little butterfly as well that I'm adding to the decoration. And then once I have added those, I'm going to take some of my smaller gems and I'll be adding those to the decoration as well. Okay, so once you have added your decorations, that will complete this spring frame decoration. Thank you all for joining me as we transformed a Dollar Tree frame and gave it a completely new look using a few materials. I'll see you soon.